In Mexico, the COVID-19 pandemic has led to a significant drop in income for millions of families. The situation is reflected in the fall in student enrollment in private schools. Our correspondent Eduardo Martinez brings us the details.
Among the staff of Socrates School, there is uncertainty about the educational future and employment of its 25 teachers. They started the school year at a distance and with a significant reduction in enrollment, which could result in some workers being laid off.
It is a place which we also rent, taxes, social security, the payroll which is the highest here. We have 24 or 25 people, the cost is high.
According to the Association for Educational Promotion and the Association of Private Schools, the drop in the number of students enrolled in this type of educational center ranges from between 30 to 60%. For various reasons, including a lack of economic resources, a large number of parents were forced to register their children in the public system.
Because of the pandemic, our work was heavily affected and the income we have has been reduced. And they no longer have enough to pay for private education anymore. But despite paying for it, we know that the quality of the education was not the same in terms of knowledge and social development. We do not know if they are coming back in January.
Before the COVID-19 pandemic, private schools served 15% of students at the elementary level. The Secretary of Public Education, on the other hand, pointed out that the sector has the capacity to serve all students. For the time being, the back-to-school through television strategy is being maintained.
Education will be different when we return from the pandemic to our normal duties. That's why we want to measure the progress or failing behind each student. So, when we return, we will have 3 weeks for teachers to undertake a diagnostic evaluation and check how each student did during the social distancing.
The health and education authorities in Mexico determined that in-person classes can only be restarted once the epidemiological traffic light is green, meaning a very low level or no transmission of the coronavirus.
Eduardo Martínez, TeleSUR, Ciudad de México.